We'll walk you through.
How to use Suno AI app.
If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel.
Head over to the Suno app after you've downloaded it. And once you're on the main interface, you're going to be on the For You page. And here you can find different AI songs that have been created by various individuals. The first is the For You page. So if I just go ahead and click on More, we have a whole bunch of songs that you can listen to that have been created by other people generally on the platform. So if you scroll down, we have global trending. This is basically music that has been doing very well on the platform, generally all around the world. Also, we have the best of V5 and also some staff picks, curated collections, and it goes down all the way. So if you click on the next icon down below, this is the hooks page. So essentially, this is where you can explore other AI music created by different people. It's basically like the TikTok of AI music, and you can just scroll around. If you find something that you like, you can go ahead and click on the remix icon, which is right here in the middle part of your screen. And then you can go ahead to cover the song to give it a new twist to it, or you can just go ahead to extend it as well. Also, we have the like, comment, and the share button if you want to share it to someone that you think might enjoy the song. And also you can save the music or the video by clicking on the plus button down on the right hand corner of your screen. All right, so moving forward, we also have the create section right in the middle. This is the part that you're most likely interested in. And on the lower left corner, we have the upload button. And if you click on it, you can basically upload your own music, your own tracks. And on the middle of the screen, we have basically the record button. So you can just click on it and record something. So if you look down below, we also have the music with a plus icon down here. And this is basically if you want to create a song, essentially. So you can, and this is like the main functionality of the Suno app. So you can go ahead to write in your prompt, for example, a hip hop song about my dog eating my homework, whatever it is that you want, you can input it in there. If you look down below, we have different genres that you can tap into depending on the style that you're interested in. We also have the lyrics button down below. You can click on it and add your own lyrics or type in a subject to generate it automatically. And then you can also decide if you want it to be an instrumental or an actual song by toggling the button instrumental on and off on the right hand part of your screen. So this is the simple way to do it. We also have the custom. Right, so this just gives you additional options that you can explore when creating your AI music. So of course you have the lyrics, you can input your style, but you also on top of that have advanced options. Now this gives you the ability to enter styles to exclude in the song that you're trying to create. For the website, there are other options like weird, that is to make it more or less AI sounding, if that makes sense. And of course, you can add the title of your song down below as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and close this part. So the next icon down below looks like a book. And essentially, this is your library, right? So this is all of the audio tracks that you've created in the past, all of the songs that you've created in the past. You can just access them here and remix it, extend it, and do whatever you want to do with it, or just use it to create something new. Also, in the extreme end of the lower right corner, you can go to your profile. This is essentially your profile where you can make some changes. And if you click on the top right hand corner, we have the settings where you can make adjustments to your account, your subscription, etc. So this is basically how you would use the AI Suno app to create your own song, your own music. It's also important to know that the workspaces are not available on the app, only on the website. So that's one thing to just bear in mind. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.